Good day to you all. I really appreciate everyone that have liked and shared and subscribed to my channel. Today we'll be discussing on how to create multiple instances of applications on your mobile phone. It is very easy. What you do is that you just download a third party application, and then with this third party application, your device can run two instance of any application you have here on your mobile phone. Take for instance your WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp can run on just a single SIM card. Now, with this application, you can have two WhatsApp on your phone, two Facebook, two Instagram, two TikToks, and the likes. Take for instance, you want to share your phone with someone, or you just find yourself in a scenario where you have to share your device, or you have to use multiple instances of an account. Now, all you need to do is go to your Play Store and search for DO multiple space. Now, this is one application that you can use very often. Now, once you download this application, it allows you always have two instances of any of your application. Another one I would advise you could also check is multiple parallel space. Now, this is another account that can allow you that have two instance of this account. Take for instance, you want to have multiple instance of them. You could download both application and have multiple instance of all these applications right here on your phone. Thank you for listening. Thank you for checking it out. If you have question problems, let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate you subscribing, and stay tuned to the next video. Thank you very much.